44 divided by 11 times 8 divided by 2 in parentheses. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now let's rewrite the expression. 44 divided by 11 times 4. Now 11 times 4 gives us 44. Now 44 divided by 44 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way first, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now let's rewrite the expression. 44 divided by 11 times 4. And as we know, multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. So 44 divided by 11 gives us 4. Now 4 times 4 gives us 16. The final answer is 16. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.